I am back one more time, and this time we're going to play with functions a bit. Okay, so let me get rid of this code. We don't need this. Okay, let me get rid of this as well. And as you can see in Nodejs, quickly there will be so many callback functions, and it can be hard to manage them. The code becomes complicated to read as well. So we should take functional approach. We should give responsibilities to separate functions. For example, if we get error, let's create a function that will handle the error. Okay, so you will give this error to that function. So if we get the data on success, then you will give this data to another function that will handle the whatever it has to be done. It has to be console logged or something else, whatever, doesn't matter. Just distribute the responsibilities to different functions. Okay, a bit of a functional approach. Okay, so what we can do here is we can clearly see that we can create two more methods, one for console logging the errors and another one is for console logging the data. Okay, so what we can do is we can create two methods here. Const error handler, let's call it, and it will get the error as an argument. Okay, and it can console log error. Okay, so that is one method. We can create another method as well, and this we can call it data handler, and this one will handle data to string. Okay, so this will console log the data. And as you can see, I have written a one-liner. You could also do it this way as well. Okay, so if you like this way, it is perfectly fine, but because this is very simple function, we can all do it in one line. Okay, so we have these two methods. Now we can use them. So if there is error, we can use this method and pass the error. Okay, so if statement also, if you have one line, you can just get rid of this and you can just write in one line. You don't need the return. Okay, however, if we get the data, if it is success, then we can give this data to this data handler method. Okay, give the data to this one, and we don't need to use toString here because it is being used here. Okay, so we have this one method, read file. Now it utilizes two other methods. One is for error handling, one is for data handling, and we use them here to simplify our code. And this is a bit of a functional approach. Okay, and it is beautiful. Okay, so let's save this file, go to the terminal, and let's see what we get here. So node app.js, and as you can see, we've got an error here. Console log data is not defined. Okay, sorry, so it has to be data. Let's go and run it one more time. Perfect. So we have the console log first, and then we have the read file result later because it took longer, so it comes second, this comes first. Beautiful, right?